Plastic pollution is a big problem. There are islands, cities, and even oceans that are covered in plastic waste. In the list of top 20 countries, US is in the 20th place, and China is on the first. China's waste generation rate is about 1.10 kg, and the percent of waste plastic is 11. Marine debris are about 1.32 to 5.53 kgs. Linfen, China is the most polluted place in the world.
Marine debris, in simple words, is litter. But this litter is not only in the water, which is bad for the animals because it makes and disperses its chemicals into the water and harms the animals, but it also accumulates over time if they enter currents, like the subtropical conversion zone. And take into account that it's not only one, but it's two in the middle of Hawaii and the coast of the USA, which is California. And this is bad because it is accumulating over time, and as it accumulates, it's not only taking the lives of animals that get trapped in there and die by choking if they want to eat some of the plastic or trash, but it's also harming the environment and taking the lives of animals with it.
Our world is widely affected by plastic pollution. As we all know, that is not good for our environment. There are simple ways to change this, but simple does not mean easy. One solution for this would be to get more factories to make more glass bottles and to reduce the amount of plastic bottles they're making. Then the plastic bottles they do make, they raise the price over the amount that they're selling the glass bottles for. Yes, we know glass can be more expensive to produce, and we know that not every parent is going to want to get their 7 or 6-year-old a glass bottle, because what happens when they run with the bottle? It might break and they may hurt themselves. Another solution for this is to lean off just using pure plastic or traditional plastic and use a corn-based plastic. We use these mainly for containers to put pizza or pasta in. If we could find a way to make that into like a bottle, then that could be used instead of just the pure plastic, and it'd be safer for kids to run around and it won't break, and it's better for our environment. We shouldn't be using plastic at all. It's not good for our environment. It just pollutes the earth, and we just rely too much on it. So that's why it's been so hard for any of us to truly find a way to stop using as much plastic. And a lot of people, they go to the store, they go get a plastic bottle, and then sometimes they'll go to school. For us, example, we'll go to school and then we drink all the water from that bottle in first period. Then we get thirsty again by like second period, and we go refill the bottle up, drink it, and then maybe if you're playing a sport after school, you just refill your water bottle up again. That's plastic. And then you reuse it. The more you reuse a bottle that's plastic, the BPA, which is a chemical that they produce the plastic with, comes out in every time you reuse the bottle. That means that you're drinking your water, yes, but you're also drinking and consuming chemicals at the same time. So not only is it terrible for the environment when it's making the little islands in the ocean or just making a beautiful campus such as like SSU look terrible because there's like plastic all over the place. Like I was walking back from lunch earlier and there was just plastic there and then plastic there. That's not good. Sorry. But it's also bad for us. So first we're polluting the earth, and the BPA we are consuming when we're reusing plastic water bottles or plastic in general, we are consuming it and it destroys us because it makes us sick. And study shows that 90% of the population has BPA in them from reusing water bottles.